Hey everyone, my name is Spursh and welcome back in another video on Just a Tech YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can back up all your iDevice data to another iPhone or PC. That includes pictures, videos, contacts, application and many more. In short, you can make the exact copy of your old iPhone data to the new iPhone. So if you're planning to buy a new iPhone 12 or any iPhone model, you are worrying about how to transfer everything from your old iPhone to the new iPhone, so this video is for you. I will tell you the exact process with a automatic tool that will save your time, and it's more better and flexible than iTunes. So without taking more time, let's start this process. Alright, this tool is brought to you by Tenorshare iCare Phone. It's the easiest way to back up all your old iPhone data to the new one. It's compatible with both macOS and Windows operating system. This tool has many options. It can transfer all the files in single click and compatible with the latest iOS 14 and the latest iPhone 12 series. It gives you a selection transfer option to transfer only the media files you want to transfer to the new iPhone. This feature makes this tool different and more easy as compared to the iTunes. You can easily back up and restore all your data in a fast way. So just check out the description link to download the tool. After the download, just simply install it. Now it's done, just click on start, and here is the Tenorshare iCare Phone, and here you will see so many options related to your iPhone data and how to manage it. Now first you have to connect your old iPhone so that we can take the backup of the data and manage it and transfer it to the new iPhone. Now I have connected my old iPhone. Now in the left side you will see the three options. The first one is to transfer all your important data directly to the iTunes backup. So you can select the file according to that. So if you want to take only some files backup, you can take that, and if you want to take all the files backup, you can directly transfer it to the iTunes. Now all the data is transferred to the iTunes directly. Now if you want to reverse this process and transfer all the data from iTunes to your device, so just click on that and you will see your iTunes backup, and now you directly restore it to the mobile directly. Now it's done. Now in the third option you will see one-click export option. This option will help you to transfer all your device photos directly in the one click to the PC. So it's an easy and the fast way to transfer all your photos in the one single click, and you can directly open into the computer. Now you will get one more important feature, that is manage. In that you will see all your device data into category wise like photos, video, music, apps, notes, messages, contacts and many more. So it's an easy way to see all your data and manage within the tool. So you can check out all the options from here. So this manage feature makes this tool more easy to use and flexible as compared to the iTunes, because in iTunes we can take all the data backup at once, but with the help of this tool we can choose only the files we want to make backup. Just like if we want to back up all the music and apps only, not other data from the phone, so we can use the category option to select the particular file only and take the backup and restore that backup into the new phone directly. So now for showing you, I will take the backup of my music data only, not taking the full backup of the phone. I'm just selecting the music files, and it will back up all my music file from my old iPhone, and then I will connect my new phone, and then I will restore all the music file backup directly to the new phone. Now I have taken the backup of all my music files. Now I can restore this backup to my new phone. You can see all your backup history from your iTunes or from your iCare software. So you can check out that backup from here. If you want to delete the backup, you can delete also. Now I will connect my new phone, and then I will transfer all my music file backup to the new phone. Now after connecting your new device, just go to the backup and restore section. Now you have to select your previous backup you have made from the old iPhone. So now I have select the backup. Now just click on view to see all the backup files you have made. Now just click on restore to the phone. Now it will transfer all your music files you have taken backup to the new phone directly. Now the restore is done. Now you can see it's so much easy to backup and restore all your device data from one to another, and you can back up all your device data like photos, videos and other files also like this. So you can use this software, and it is more easy and convenient as compared to the iTunes, because this tool can give you category wise option to select only the particular file and restore it to the new phone. So you can try this tool. I will give the links in the description of website, so you can check out from there. So that's all for the Tenorshare iCare Phone. If you are interested in this tool, you can check out all the buying option of the tool. I will give the links in the description. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.